morning, everyone. It's me, Kūsho here. There's a thunderstorm out. Oh, you that? That's what I'm talking about. I love thunderstorms. Whenever it storms, I like looking at the window, listening to the thunder, watching the rain and the lightning. It's like watching a light show at Disneyland, but 10 times more fun, and 10 times scarier too. I love scary things. I'm a demon after all. Other Roboticals think I'm crazy, but to each their own. Whoa! Did you see that? Lightning! Oh boy! Here it comes! 3, 2, 1! Yes! Haha, yeah! How exciting! This is the best day of my life! I'm in paradise. Let's see if it does it again. Oh! 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 There it is! The lightning! Oh man! Get ready, guys! Come on, Mother Nature! Bring it on! 3, 2, 1... Yes! Nailed it! Hey, Eclipse! You hearing this crazy stuff?
But alas, I have but no choice. I wish I wasn't, however.
Ah, come on! Where's the sense of adventure, the action, the boom, the bang?
I want to go back to sleep.
Whatever, buddy. Man, Eclipse is really missing out on this. How can someone not want to watch this beauty? It's like the 4th of July came out early, just for me. You know what, Eclipse? Today's a beautiful day.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Oh.